guys, what going? People from y'all watching this video, bro. From your finger touch this video, bro, and you start to watch it. Congratulations, bro. You understand? Congratulations. You understand? People, this is Silk. You understand? I am Silk right now. Decades. World I say Silk. You understand? Always. It is not milk. Okay? People, Shenseea work me out. I go work out Shenseea now. Zine. Feet, Wizkid. Wizard. Wizkid. Yeah, his name tough. Wizkid. But Shenseea work me out feet Wizkid, bro. Let's see if this one is tough, bro. This collab, bro. Shenseea, y'all know Shenseea, bro. You understand that cute face girl. You understand? Yes. Artist. She's an dancehall artist. Dancehall or pop. She's an official Jamaican artist. You understand, people? Yes. So, Shenseea work me out. Shenseea work me out. You think you could have get in on my feelings? In a minute down. It around. That one. Is she a massacre? You understand? But this one is now she and Wizkid. Let's get right into it, bro. Jesus Christ. Smaddy, I go work her out for you. Look what Shenseea wear. This is how these females go hard in these music video, bro. Trust me. Guys, before we get right into it, people subscribe right now. You understand? Yes. I know. Yeah, I know what you're saying. But full of vibes, don't. This guy right here full of vibes. Don't. People, it's one and only vibes, you understand, but it's not Vibes Cartel. It's just vibes. People, y'all want vibes? Go over on this channel right now, one code music, and y'all get vibes. You understand? Yes, like right now, this is the relax. Let's get right into it right now. First, I want to say, bro, I love the beat. I love the beat, bro.
My day I live in my best, but not sorry. Me feel to give it up to somebody. I can do what me want on my body.
So she bad. She can't do what she want for her body. So what she's telling us, she's selling her body. Let's get right back into it, guys.
I nah look nothing too deep anymore. See me
After
there,
her body for true, make she, hey, make she do what she want to know.
For a night, and you only get one invite. You know the thing.
Hold on. She got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 female around her. The last time Shenseea posted a picture with a lot of guys around her, and that Jamaican dancehall artist name goes by Skillibeng. Yeah, that Skillibeng guy, you understand? He say, yo, she have too much man around her. So maybe that's why, but different vision, you understand? Different visual, bro.
God give life.
Hey, the beat is tough for real.
You better know if you slip, you're gonna slide. One chance to set the mood right. Just
If you slip, you're gonna slide.
Work me out. This exercise and burn me out. Keep it quiet, but turn me up. Just
what you want
to work me out. This exercise and burn me out. Keep it quiet, but turn me up. Turn me up. Just one night to
work me up. Bad girl come burn me up. Pretty lady when they come from.
Bro, this is the first time, bro. This is the first time I see Shenseea winding up like on a guy like that, bro. Like bro. She have a man.
Rendezvous when you want more. Set my gun on the dresser. Bad be a blesser. Girl come walk to the song. But baby girl, we know they have for long.
Yeah.
Just one night, baby, give me some more. Work it out. Come back,
and
girl,
she's not there anymore, bro. Like it's just a one touch. Understand? Bro, you're not working her out. Get her back right there on the spot, bro. You understand? You can't just work her out one time. Just a one wine, bro, and she just leave like that. Shenseea, how you do this, so?
Said I can turn you up, work you out. I go run it up, I go turn you up, turn you up. I come work you out. Baby girl, I wanna see you in your finest. Make it put that thing really
Baby,
on
I'm
behind
only
us.
here for a night. And you wanna
Hey,
get
this
one
song is
midnight.
tough.
You know the things
Yeah.
in God give life. I'm only here for a night.
For one night.
You better know if it's
Alright, that's for one night. Eh? My woman now. I am the ear. You're there for every night. And I want all me I go work you out. That I work alone. I want you out. You understand? Work you out. You get hey. People subscribe right now. You understand?
you're gon' slide. One
I
chance
just
to
sleep,
set
you're
the
going
mood right.
slide.
Just one night to work me out.
Be
Work
tough,
me
bro.
out. This exercise and burn me
Routine.
out. Keep it quiet but turn me up. Turn
Bro,
me up.
Shenseea can dance, bro. She can dance.
Just one night to work me out. This exercise and burn me out. Keep it quiet but turn me up. Turn me up. Just one night to work.
Bro, they on the beat, bro. Yeah. That routine is tough, bro. That choreography is tough, bro. Bro, where's the beat? It's finished already, bro. It finished already. People, you all reach the end of the video. Understand? Go get your fresh ear cut, design, fade, whatever you want. You understand? Yes, go get your ear done by Ear Designed by Lex. Ear Designed by Lex on Instagram officially. You understand? Yes, she will give you a cute, nice, respectful, amazing, unique haircut. You understand, guys? People subscribe to me right now. Thank you very much. Y'all reach the workout. The end of the workout. You understand? Y'all reach the end of the workout. Shenseea, she's a good artist. She got lyrics, style, fashion. She can sing. She have good voice also. Wizkid, tough. You understand? Tough artist, bro. They are amazing artists, bro. You understand? They got lyrics, bro. Tough like stone. You understand? People, this is Silk. You understand? Yes. I'm out.